Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about our admission notification. Here the university is Pondicherry Engineering College, Puducherry. So this is comes under Pondicherry University, Central University of Pondicherry University. Before going to see this video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp ED YouTube channel, then do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you will get instant updates. So coming to the present video, now the application is open for the admissions based on the category of NRI, non-resident Indians. So those who are staying away from India but who is willing to study in India, they can apply to this Pondicherry Engineering College. So here comes the notification. I will just read. So applications are invited from the eligible candidates seeking admission to first year BTech degree courses for the academic year 2021 in various branches of engineering or technology. Online applications are accepted from 24 March 2022 30th April. So 30th April is so long that you can apply easily, that you can see that the AICTE, All India Council for Technological Education, had accorded approval to admit the sons and daughters of non-residential Indians to the extent of 5% of seats within the sanctioned intake. So interested candidates can apply for admission through the site. So I'll give the site link in the website in the description box. You can click on that and you can apply. Thank you.